In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do plantar flexion, but in a knee bent position. So I'm going to be standing for this exercise and I'm going to be using a wall here for my balance. Now there's two main differences from regular plantar flexion standing. So for example, me coming into that heel up position, and bent knee plantar flexion, where I'm in a position now where my center of gravity is forward and I've increased my dorsiflexion of the ankle. Now, those two differences mean that it's a substantially harder exercise. And the reason I've got the wall here is because I don't want to worry about my balance at all. I just want to worry about getting the proper repetitions under control with my plantar flexion. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off, the feet are at hip width apart, but they're facing directly forwards. So completely floors with the foot. Now from here, you're going to come into a bent knee position whilst keeping your back straight. And then from this position, I'm not going to lean into the wall, but I'm going to make sure I've got it here for my balance. And I'm just going to come into that calf raised position, heels up and back down. Heels up and back down. And I'm keeping that position with my knees, so I'm not coming out of the repetitions each time. I'm keeping in that knee bent position. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do plantar flexion with your knees bent standing.